Good morning, students. I am Santosh sir. Today I am going to discuss again about crop production and management. So I want to tell you about what is agriculture. Agriculture is a cultivation of field or land. You know what is agriculture? Agriculture term is derived from the two Latin word ager and culture. Agar means field and cultura means cultivation. So we can say here agriculture is the cultivation of the field or land. In a broader sense, it is the science of the growing plants and raising animals useful to humans. So once again I want to tell you about in the detail. So it is the science of the growing plants and raising animals useful to humans. And what is horticulture? Horticulture horticulture is also derived from the two words hortus and culture. Hortus and culture. Hortus means garden and cultura means cultivation. So we can say here it is a branch of the agriculture and it is a science. It is the science of the growing vegetables, fruits and ornamental plants. So we can say here it is the science of the growing vegetables, fruits and ornamental plants. So there are two ways to say about a horticulture. Horticulture is the branch of the agriculture and it is the branch of the science and it is the science of the growing vegetable fruits and ornamental plants. Do you know what is the field? Field means the land where the plants are cultivated is known as field. जहाँ पे पेड़ पौधों पौधों को जो है कि बुआई की जाती है, कल्टीवेशन किया जाता है, उसे ही हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, फील्ड कहते हैं. And now we are going to discuss about what is a crop. Okay, crop plants refers to the plants of the same kind grown and cultivated on a large scale. Crop plants, yeah, you can see here crop plants refer to the plants of same kind grown and cultivated at the one's place on a large scale. Now we are going to discuss about crop season. Crop season means there are two types of the crop season. First is main season. There are two main seasons for the cultivating crops in India. First is Rabi season and second is a Kharif season. Rabi season and Kharif season. So there are two main seasons for the cultivation of the crops in India. Rabi season crops are sown in the beginning of the winter, means from the month of October to November. In the month of October to November, and are called this type of the crops are known as winter season crops. These type of the crops are known as winter season crops. Example of the winter season crops are wheat, barley, gram, pea, potato and mustard etc. जैसे गेहूँ की बुआई जो है कि अक्टूबर से नवंबर के महीने में होती है, जिसको हम लोग विंटर सीजन क्रॉप्स बोलते हैं. ये जौ की भी, चना का, मटर का, टमाटर का, ऐसा सब जो है फसल यह है कि कब बुआई होती है, इसकी जो है कि ठंड के मौसम, इसीलिए इसको विंटर सीजन क्रॉप बोलते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड विंटर सीजन क्रॉप. एंड नाउ खरीफ सीजन क्रॉप. खरीफ सीजन क्रॉप you can see here kharif season crop are crops. These are also known as the summer season crops, and these type of the crops are sowing in the beginning of the rainy season in the month of June and July. Example: rice, maize, groundnuts, jowar, and soybean, as well as cotton. As you know that rice plant need more water. That's why it is known as summer season crop. And sowing this type of crops sowing in the beginning of the rainy season in the month of June and July. And do you know what is the basic agriculture practices of the crop production? So we can say here the activities or tasks which which a farmer performs to cultivate a crop are referred as agriculture practices. So these agriculture tasks are here: preparation of soil. First of all, they do they prepare the soil for by plugging and leveling. They plug by using plug. Okay, they use by plug. And second is they sow the seeds in the field. After plugging, they sow the seeds in the field, and then application of the manure and fertilizers. They use the manures and fertilizers in the field. They use the fertilizers and manures in the field, and after that they irrigate the field, and after irrigating they do the weeding. Do you know what is the weeding? Weeding is the removal of the weeds, that is unuseful plants, and these type of the plants grow between the crops, but that is not useful. And after that, harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Harvesting means कटाई. जब कटाई की जाती है, फसल हो जाती है, उसके बाद कटाई की जाती है. कटाई करने के बाद जो है कि उसकी थ्रेसिंग होती है, विनोइंग होती है. एंड आफ्टर दैट द लास्ट स्टेप ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस is the storage. After that, they store the grains of the crops in the safe place. The safe place. And in the last, we can see here preparation of the soil. How do they prepare the soil? Before crop are planted, the soils must be prepared. So प्लांट्स क्रॉप्स को प्लांट करने से पहले सबसे पहले सॉइल को हम लोग को प्रिपेयर करना होता है. किसान फार्मर प्रिपेयर द सॉइल. So prepare turning and loosening the soil. So first of all, they lose the soils by using the plug. The process of the turning and loosening of the soil is called plugging or tiling. Plugging helps the soil in a number of the following ways. It helps in a easy penetration of the roots of the seedling, and it aerates the soil, and the root can thus breathe easily. So main function of the preparing the soil is mean it aerates the soil. The roots can breathe easily. It means in the soil too much oxygen gas will be present, and it will very helpful to breathe the roots very easily. And the second, the loosened soil help in the growth of the earthworm and microbes present in the soil. These organisms further turn the loosens the soil. They also add the humus to the soil. You can see here the plug serves many purposes for tiling the soils and adding the fertilizers to the crops and removing of the weeds. This is the plug. Okay, this is the instrument the farmers use in this field.